Hello everyone, this is part 3 of my walk in the park. It's a nice, beautiful park. Like I was saying in part 2. Like I was saying in part 2 and part 1, that they want to make this into a better park, but they can't get the funding for it, and without the funding they can't do anything. And they want to get these trails blacktopped down the road. So anybody that's watching this video, if you'd like to help, I got a website for you to go to. It's woodlandparkbc.com. I just found that out. They got another website that shows you the park and tell you the projects that they are planning on doing out here down the road. But for now, the only thing that they'll be doing is just cutting the grass out here. You can tell, kind of looks like a jungle over here. Got grass as tall as me. They want to build like boardwalks out here, you know, like a pond for people to walk on. It's a beautiful park. Got woods. And park's open 365 days a year. Don't know who would want to come out here during the winter time. Don't know if they ever keep these trails snow plowed. But yeah, it's one good park. They got 2 entrances to this park. They got an entrance off of Helmer Road that you could come through, or they got an entrance up on Gethings Road that you could go through. 2 entrances to get into this park. The parking lot on Gethings Road is much bigger than the parking lot off of Helmer Road. The entrance leads you into the woods, and there's a rabbit on the trail. You see a lot of woodland, a lot of nature animals out here. Sometimes I'll run into deer out here. A lot of them come out here. I was out here earlier and I seen one, up in the woods, just standing. But then I tried to go back to where it was, but it was gone. Well, be on the lookout for another part.